Jai Hind, dear students. Today we are going to perform practical in which we will verify the law of exponents experimentally when the base is same. And on the screen you can see I have written 2 to the power 1 into 2 cube equals to 2 raised to the power 4. Now how we will perform, let us see that. Okay, now I have taken the first paper, and since you people can see that it is 2 raised to the power 1, that is why what we will do is we will fold the paper one time. Now when you fold the paper one time, what you observe is that you have divided this figure into two parts. So for that, what I am going to do is I am going to draw the line on the crease, and you people will be using scale for doing this. Now the second one is 2 raised to the power 3 or 2 cube. What you will do is you will fold the paper one time, then you will fold it for second time, and then you will fold it for third time. Now when you open this, what you observe is that you have divided this sheet into 8 rectangles. Now see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So you have divided this rectangle into 8 parts. So you will draw the line on the creases, use sketch pen and scale for doing so. Now see, this is 2 cube. Now let's see 2 raised to the power 4. So this is the first fold, this is the second fold, this is the third fold, and this one is the fourth fold. Now since you people know that you can fold a paper 7 times, not more than that. Okay, so in this way you have got, see, let's see how many parts we have got. We have divided this figure into 16 parts. Okay, now what has to be done is that, and I'm telling you people use scale for doing this. So you have divided this figure into 16 parts. Now what you will do is you will paste these in your practical file, and you will put sign of multiplication here because it is 2 raised to the power 1. This one is 2 raised to the power 3, and when you multiply these two, then you get 2 raised to the power 4. Now see, 8 into 2 is equal to 16. Okay, and if you use the laws of exponents, then you clearly find out that 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. In this way you can easily perform this practical. I hope it is clear to everyone. But yes, now a question may arise from you in your mind, that what if it is something else apart from this. Now see, I have taken one more page, and I am going to show you people how can you find out 3 square. Now see, for this what I have done is, you know that 3 square means 3 into 3. So I have divided this paper into 3 equal parts like this. See, first I have folded it into 3 equal parts in this manner, and then since it is 3 square, so which means 3 into 3, so I'll make another fold of 3 parts only. Now see, In this way, when you open this, you observe that it is divided into 9 parts: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So I hope that this is clear to you people. Okay, so take care everyone. Jai Hind.